Hi everyone, I'm Teresa with InVideo, and I've got a trend alert for you. This is the I'm in love trend. You've probably seen it on Reels. You can basically use it to show off anything you love, like your favorite food or your favorite outfit or your home decor. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that you can follow to recreate it. It's going to be super easy because we're using a pre-made template from InVideo. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you some examples of how you can take this and use it for your brand. Let's get started. To create this, you're going to need 4 short video clips and 10 photos. So pick out your theme, the thing that you love, and then go through your camera roll and see what you can find. Once you have your photos and videos picked out, head over to the link in the description. That's going to take you directly to the template. Go ahead and click Use this template. As you can see, you have the text in place already. And if you come down to the timeline, you can see that you have the videos and photos and audio in place as well. Let's go ahead and hop into the advanced timeline for this last scene here, just to take a look at how the template is laid out. As you can see, the videos and images are already synced up to the audio. All right, let's come back to the main editor. Now you can go ahead and upload your photos and videos. Now for the first scene, you'll need a video, so go ahead and pick out a video that you want to be the very beginning of your reel, and then take that and drag it onto the canvas. Hit replace, that will pull up the video trimmer. Just go ahead and select trim video to fit scene. So let's come back into the advanced timeline for scene number 2 and zoom in a little bit here. You can see that scene 2 is made up of 5 images. So go ahead and put your cursor over the first image, and then you'll be able to replace that image again by dragging your own image on top of it and then hitting replace. And then you can go ahead and do the same thing for all of the rest of the images here in this scene. Now let's go into the timeline for scene 3. So now this one starts with a video, and then it has 3 images after the video. So first pick out a video clip that you want to use and drag that on. And then go to each of the images and replace those. And now let's go into the advanced timeline for the last scene here. So this one starts with a video, and then it has 2 images, and then it ends with a video. So go ahead, drag on your first video, and then your 2 images, and then your final video, which is going to be the end of your whole reel. And once you have everything in place, come up to download and share in the top right-hand corner, and you can go ahead and download your video. Then open up Instagram, click the plus sign at the top, and go to add a new reel. And now you want to make sure that you use the audio from Instagram. So in the Reels editor, click the audio icon. The song is called IFHY, so go ahead and search for that and then add it to your project. And there you go, that is a look at how you create this trend. Now let's see some examples for businesses. This is a great trend to use if you're advertising your business on Instagram. It works perfectly well for just about any product. So here's an example for a brand that sells knitwear, and in this case you could use a mixture of behind the scenes and the finished product. Here's an example for a coffee shop, and now if you're a local business, you could try putting your address at the end so that people know where to find you. And here's an example for a real estate agent. Again, this is a great trend to use no matter what business you have. If you like this trend, be sure to give this video a like and let us know in the comments which trend we should cover next. And for more trend ideas, check out this video where we go over some TikTok trends that you can use for your business. I'm Teresa with InVideo, and I'll see you in the next one.